Hello guys, welcome in our conversation. Today there are two persons. One is Nilanjana, another is Shipon, and today they are here for discuss about something. And especially our today's topic is environment pollution. So they will discuss, and hopefully that you also can learn something from them. And hi Nilanjana,
Hi, good afternoon.
yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. What about you?
Oh, yeah, I'm also great. Thank you for joining with us. And another one is Shipan Bhai. Hello Shipan Bhai. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. Thank you. What about you?
Yeah, I'm pretty well. Thank you.
Okay. And thank you for joining with us. And yeah, so today our topic is we'll be discussing about something environmental pollution. So firstly, I would like to ask my first question to Nilanjana. That Nilanjana, what do you think about environment? And my first question is that how environment is getting polluted day by day. What's your opinion? Please.
Yeah, it's really true that pollution is the biggest problem in today's life, which is known to all. And especially
Yes.
environment pollution is biggest problem in our life. Our environment is being polluted day by day. It's
Yeah.
no matter that what kind of pollution it is, but it's always harmful for us and our environment. Now we all are living in a polluted world where air,
Yes. Correct.
water, and food are all polluted. And if I first talk about air pollution, so air pollution is biggest problem in big city all over the world. And another is that factory chemicals is always emitted, and so that's why it's being affect our air and our environment. So like this way, it's doing effect in our life.
Yes.
And natural pollutants, things such as pollen, dust, soil particle, it's also source of air pollution. On the other hand, water pollution is the biggest problem also in our life. Because of that, we are not that much care about this matter. Or always we throw garbage either in the riverside, pond side, and we wash the clothes in pond, and take like this way water also having polluted. Not only
Right.
human side but also natural side is affecting, and it's being polluted. When storm is coming, so that time storm affected mud and soil, and this kind of pollution is getting, and that's why water also affected day by day, and we are not that much conscious about this matter. And sound also affecting problem like this way. And because of that, now in this present situation we are everyone very modern, and we always like to we always like to enjoy with loud sound and sound cracker we use. So that's why it's creating problem, and it's affecting our environment, and it's doing polluted day by day. And like
Right.
this way, our environment day by day affecting and getting polluted. Yeah, that's all.
Right. Thank you. And my second question is to Shipan Bhai. That what's your opinion about environment? And my special question is tell us something about the most disadvantages of pollution environment.
Yeah, thank you so much for giving opportunity. Today's our topic is environment pollution. Environment pollution it's a one kind of vital nowadays. So um, every country always try to take a step about this matter because of environment pollution is a vital problem. So there are
Right.
several kind of most disadvantage or most dangerous problem. First of all, water pollution. Water pollution is the biggest problem nowadays because of people are not that much conscious. They always try to throw many garbage on the water. So that's why we can't drink proper water. Even if we eat, so at the times we will face a lot of problem. So that is a one kind of most vital problem as a environment pollution. And even that river problem and ocean problem, we can see that cause of many ship and their trunk leakage or oil littering, this kind of way water pollution is a vital pollution. And another that it's the soil pollution. We can't use properly. Even it's a fertilizer problem. Even farmer problem, they are not produce a lot of things good way. So that's why soil pollution is the another biggest pollution. And another that it's the light pollution, electric pollution, visual pollution, thermal pollution, and noise or sound pollution. Sound pollution, every in Dhaka city or every city it's happening, just like a rail sound, bus sound, in the sound, all of sound. So at the times what will be happen, our air will be problem and we won't be here good way, all of everything. So that's the most disadvantage or most disadvantage as the environment pollution. And another that air pollution. Air pollution is one of the biggest pollution because of many industry, and they are burn lot of things. That's why when we are taking when we are taking breath on this time, so we are facing lot of problem. Even airplane, helicopter, their air pollution is the biggest pollution. And that's why warming is day by day increasing. So that's why
Yes.
I think this kind of is one of the biggest disadvantage as a pollution. So we should care about this matter, because of if we can take any decision, so obviously it will be helpful. Yeah,
Right.
that's all.
Thank you. Thank you for your opinion. And my third question is to Nilanjana that which step we should follow to keep our environment free from pollution? What's your opinion, please?
Yeah. Um, as we are human beings, so definitely we can take a decision, and we can make our environment free pollution. It's only we can do that. And first, we should be more conscious about our lifestyle, whatever we are doing, and we should not throw the garbage hither and thither. We should maintain a proper dustbin, and we
Right.
should, if we take any transport, any public transport, so definitely that time we should be more aware about smoke, and we should reduce this kind of things. And we can use
Right.
the bicycle and walking, so that time it can be reduced something air pollution. And we should be aware more about that ways of dumping the chemical in pond and river. We should be more aware about this matter also. So like this way we can reduce, and we can do another thing for reduce the sound pollution, that we can avoid any festival and celebration of festival, and we can reduce the sound capper, sound music, loud music. So that time like this way we can reduce, and we
Yes.
everyone should follow this kind of rules. So definitely we can increase everything about our pollution, environment pollution, and we uh, we can make people conscious, planting tree, that as much as we can plant that tree, so plant will observe everything, every chemical gases and pollution, tree will absorb. So that time our environment will be free pollution. And we can do as a young people, young guys, we can do that. And being a young guys, we should take a step, and then every people can come ahead with us, and we can do make a free pollution world, and we
Right.
should everyone follow these rules. Yeah, that's all.
Thank you. Yeah, this is right. And my last question to Shipon, that what are the effects of environment on human health? What is your opinion?
Yeah, actually, basically, environment pollution is one of the vital pollution. So all of
Yes.
everything it's affecting. So as well as human body. So that's why you know that nowadays people they are yeah, it's not that much long. Average year it may be 17 or 16. So why it's happening? Because of environment pollution. That's why we are facing a lot of problem. We are facing a lot of disease. First of all, one disease is cancer. So cancer is one of the vital disease. We know that. So why it's happening? Only for environment pollution. Because of we are not that much conscious about this matter. We are drinking contamination water. We are drinking or we are eating pollution food. So that's why it's happening. So at the time, what will be happen? We will die suddenly as a cancer. And another problem, heart disease. Heart disease is common nowadays, even pressure. That's why many people are dying suddenly. So only for environment pollution and asthma, malaria, this kind of disease we can see that. So that's why I think human body it's a really important. So if we
Yes.
drink proper water, if we eat proper food, so that will be good for our body. Even we won't get any problem, and we will be alive a long time, and our year alive year will be increased. And another problem, depression. Only for environment pollution we are facing a lot of problem, and at the times we don't
Yes.
want to do any work, and we always think that, oh my god, I am not eligible to do any work. So all of everything is our mind, and another is environment pollution, and it's a one one to two it's related, I can say that. And another, depression is one of the problems. So I think that is also problem. If our area and surround area will be good, or if our surround area is good, so obviously we can't face this kind of problem. So that's why I think human body is really important. So that's why we should take care environment pollution, and we should drink proper pure water, and all of everything we should take a good way. So at that times our body will be good, and we will be alive long time. Yeah, that's it. It's my opinion. Thank you.
That's right. And yeah, you are right that we are also responsible for this environment pollution. Basically, we are not aware about our things. We throw same things and the empty packets here and there. So we should not do that. And yeah, so by this, we are going to ending up our session.
Okay, thank you so much. Uh, Thank you, Niranjana, as well as Simon Bhai. Thank you.
Yeah, thank
বলছি
you.
ওকে